Netflix versus Disney Plus, which one is better? Now, today we're comparing Netflix and Disney Plus to see which one deserves your subscription. Now, for the content library, Netflix remains the king of variety with a mix of originals, international show, documentaries, and movies. Disney Plus, on the other hand, dominates a family-friendly content including Marvel, Star Wars, Pixar, and National Geographic. Now, both platforms have tiered pricing. Netflix offer ad-supported and premium plans, while Disney Plus bundles options with Hulu and ESPN for added value. Price-wise, Disney Plus tends to be slightly more affordable, especially if you're into their franchise. Now for the user experience, Netflix shines with the personalized recommendations and innovative features like the interactive content. Disney Plus sticks to a simple interface and excels in delivering 4K content better for the blockbuster tiers. And so, which one is better? You want to choose Netflix if you want diversity in genres and non-stop new releases. You want to go for Disney Plus if you love their iconic franchise and family content. And so which one is your go-to? Let me know in the comments below, and as always, thanks for watching. I'll see you again next time.